front and rear damage. And honestly, most people would replace everything. But here, we try to save as much as possible. This is the initial condition. The tailgate is heavily damaged, the rear glass is completely shattered, and the rear bumper is affected. And it doesn't stop there. The front bumper is also badly scratched and should actually be replaced. But this time, we're going to repair it. Before starting the repair, we remove all remaining broken glass. This step is important, not just for safety, but also to ensure a clean and proper repair process. Now we begin reshaping the tailgate. We don't use advanced tools here. Everything is done manually. This process relies on precision, patience, and years of experience. We carefully reshape the metal and reinforce damaged areas with welding. This is where real craftsmanship is tested. Once the shape is restored, we reinstall the tailgate. Then we carefully adjust it to achieve proper alignment. The glass frame area is also welded and refined to ensure perfect fitment. Next, we move to the refinement stage. From the front bumper, rear bumper, to both inner and outer parts of the tailgate. Everything is carefully smoothed using body filler. This step defines how clean the final result will be. After smoothing the surface, we apply epoxy primer. This acts as the foundation before painting, ensuring durability and better color finish. Now, into the painting process. Starting from the base coat, followed by the finishing layer. Slowly, the car begins to come back to life, from damaged to refined. Next, we install the new rear glass. Then all interior parts are reassembled carefully. Everything is checked to ensure it's clean, aligned, and functional. After painting, we continue with polishing. This step enhances the shine and removes minor imperfections. Even without high-end equipment, this process depends heavily on skill and control. Done carefully, it brings out a deep, even finish, making the result look close to factory quality. And here is the final result. From heavy damage, back to a clean finish, done manually with experience. So, what do you think? Would you repair it like this? Or replace everything? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy this kind of work, feel free to follow for more real repair projects like this.